Hi and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. This is on solids, liquids and gases, which makes up chemistry. So everything is made up of particles that are too small to see. The three states of matter are called solid, liquid and gas. They all have different properties due to the arrangements and movement of their particles. So let's have a look at the solids first of all. So the particles are held very tightly together by strong forces. They make small vibrations, but they stay in place. This gives solids a definite shape and volume. Solids are dense, that means that they're heavy, and they cannot be compressed, they can't be squashed, because the particles are already packed very closely together. Let's have a look at liquids. A liquid can flow because the particles can move past each other. The particles are still held closely together by strong forces, but liquids are dense and they cannot be compressed very easily. A liquid can change its shape, but not its volume. And you can see on the right-hand side, we've got some images. So you can see the solids, they're packed very close together. On the right-hand side, you see liquids, and they are partly quite dense and held together closely by strong forces, but they can't be compressed, and liquids can change their shape as well. Gases, on the other hand, there are only very weak forces between the particles which are far apart. The particles move around very quickly and bounce off each other. And gases have a low density, they are very light in weight, and they do not have a definitive shape or volume. And you can see here on the right-hand side in the image that the gas particles are quite loose and they're quite far apart from each other, which means that they can quickly bounce off each other as well. Okay, so have a read again of this particular article on solids, liquids and gases, and then you've got some questions to answer thereafter. Good luck.